Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a fast forward effect in DaVinci Resolve. This is a fantastic technique for compressing time in your videos, making long processes move quickly, or adding dynamic energy to your edits. Let's dive right in. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once the program loads, you'll see several tabs at the bottom of your screen. Click on the one labeled Edit. This takes you into the editing workspace where you'll be working with your timeline and clips. Now locate the clip in your timeline that you want to apply the fast forward effect to. Right-click directly on this clip, and from the menu that appears, select Retime Controls. This activates DaVinci Resolve's powerful speed adjustment tools, allowing you to manipulate the playback speed of your footage with precision. Next, you'll need to position the vertical playback line at the exact point where you want your fast-forward section to begin. Think of this as marking the starting boundary. Once you've positioned it correctly, look underneath the clip itself and you'll notice a small arrow pointing down. Click on this arrow and from the options that appear, select Add Speed Point. This creates a marker that locks in the beginning of your speed change. Now, move the vertical line to where you want the fast-forward effect to end. This is where the footage will return to normal speed. Again, click the arrow down that appears under the clip and select Add Speed Point. You've now defined both the start and end boundaries of your fast-forward section. Here's where the magic happens. Between these two speed points you just created, you'll see another arrow down in the middle section. Click on it and select Change Speed. A dialog will appear, allowing you to adjust the playback rate. Set it to 400% or adjust it to whatever speed works best for your particular edit. The higher the percentage, the faster your footage will play. To make your fast-forward effect more visually dynamic, let's add an overlay. Drag another clip that contains fast-forward effects, something like speed lines or motion graphics, and position it on a track above your main footage in the timeline. Click on this overlay clip to select it. Then, look to the top right of your screen and click on Inspector. Within the Inspector panel, you'll find an option called Composite. Click on it to reveal the blending options. You'll now see a setting labeled Composite Mode with a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down and select Add from the list. This blending mode will composite your fast-forward overlay with the footage below, creating a cohesive, professional-looking speed effect. And that's it. You've successfully created a fast-forward effect in DaVinci Resolve with both speed manipulation and visual overlay. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.